Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how to redeem your eBay gift card. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First of all, you need to log in into your eBay account. So for that, open up your web browser and then on the search box, type in the link that is www.ebay.com, and I'll also make sure to leave the link on my description box below. Once you type in the link, you'll be directed to the official site, and on this interface you need to click on My eBay in the top right. So after that, you'll need to enter an email or a username that is associated with your eBay account and then click on continue. As you click on continue, you'll be logged into your account. Now to redeem your eBay gift card, so you need to select the items, or you'll need to add items to your card, or you can just simply tap on buy now. Once you're done selecting your items, next interface you'll be directed to the payment page, and right in between you'll be able to see an option as gift card coupons eBay bucks, and under it you need to enter the code. So the code might be on the back of your card, and alternatively, if you have received your digital gift card, then the number should be included in the email, or it should be attached to your email. So you can find the redeem code on your email. Once you're done entering the code, you need to click on apply, and if the code is valid, then you'll have this kind of interface such as confirm and pay, which is in the right hand side corner, and after that you need to confirm and pay. And in order to confirm your identification, you might be asked to provide some of the details, and in order to proceed on, you need to enter all of the information as asked. And that is how you can redeem eBay gift card on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.